Alright, Mug Gang, we're in Irvine, home of the rich Asians. We're right outside of Mitsuwa Marketplace. It's a little Asian, I think it's Japanese marketplace. And within there, it's like a food court. And today, we're here to go try out the Santouka ramen. Supposedly some really good, authentic ramen. So about to check that out. So we in here, guys. I feel like I just entered Japan. Well, so yeah, guys, like a little marketplace, and there's like a small food court in here where it's just like a bunch of Japanese food, I'm assuming, and Santouka is right over there. Lynn right here is a ramen expert. She's gonna give us some suggestions. Go ahead, Lynn. What do you suggest?
I always get the salted ramen with the grilled salmon, and I'm probably gonna get the pork cheeks.
Yeah, pork cheek. All right, you go order for me.
The only man in my life is wrong.
Santouka right there behind us, and now we're in the food court right here behind us, and we're just waiting for our ramen. So this is salted ramen.
Yep.
With pork cheek and all that good stuff. This is salted ramen with char siu pork with a side of a salmon don bowl and an egg on the side. So today we have a special guest, Lynn on Kitchen, and you should follow her on Instagram. She is a personal chef and a meal prep coach. She took us to this place and she has great knowledge with ramen.
Here's another thing that people don't usually know. I like to usually eat the chili oil. It's 50 cents extra with the ramen.
I can't do that. I'm not a spicy eater.
It's
I like
not
it all
that
natural.
spicy. Here. You can put a little bit in.
So a little hack, Lynn went to the parallel restaurant and got some tempura. So this is my bowl right here, char siu bowl. Let's see if this ramen lives up to the hype. Yeah, they have Santouka in a couple locations. I usually go to the one in the LA. Oh, Mitsuwa. Mitsuwa is the supermarket chain. All right, let's see. Ooh, it's piping hot. Look at this.
Well, I'm not about to.
See a steam? Ooh-wee. We're about to mukbang for the Mug Gang. I'm gonna chill for a bit. No pun intended, because it's so hot. Alright, I think it's about cool. Actually, no, look at all that steam. So right away, you can tell these ramens are a bit thinner than the Sukumen one I just had at Sujita. And it is salted, it's not bland. I've never tried pork cheek before. I'm about to go Hannibal Lecter on this pork.
Pork cheek is better than this chocolate.
So this pork cheek looks really juicy, guys. Look at this. Oh my god.
What do you get?
This pork cheek is really tender, a lot tender than the char siu.
Oh yeah, that place is really
Pretty good.
And it's not Marugu.
I've never had pork cheek before.
Your Dan, eat one of the shrimp. Like $2.14 for this tiny little tempura.
Oh yeah, how much is the bowl? $12,
well, that's
right?
combo.
Yeah, I think we got the combo.
When the combo come with a rice bowl, you can pick chassu or salmon grill.
Yeah, so
salmon roll.
So this combo came with salmon. It was around $15, not bad. Yeah, cash only, so make sure you bring the green. I'm gonna try a tempura with this ramen. You hear that crunch? Wow, it's a pretty good combo. I'm gonna dip the tempura in here now.
But where?
Again, nice and soft.
There's one at Capital, but that place looks like a restaurant. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, Dan have to get it.
This is my new go-to. This is a good combo. Shrimp tempura and ramen.
Like a vast, like, thing to get.
I'm gonna try this boiled Taiwanese egg. Braised Taiwanese egg. Dip it in the ramen.
Well, you should not. You got small or medium?
That's not any old regular egg.
This
the braised egg
medium?
has a lot of flavor. This is char siu. Let's see. It's a bit different than the cheek. I feel like it would be less fatty and more meaty. Pause.
Cheek is more fatty.
Yeah. Exactly like I suspected. Less tender. It's still pretty good. So far, this ramen is A1. It's so fatty though. The soup is really fatty and cholesterol filled. I feel like my rich, that's the word, it's very rich. Almost feel like you're sipping butter. Good thing I worked out before eating this. I'm gonna give this ramen a break. I'm gonna taste my side. Salmon don.
Grilled salmon with salmon roe.
Yeah, salmon roe right here. Little salmon eggs. All right, let's see. This kind of looks like tuna.
It's not tuna.
Santouka number 54.
So it's cooked.
It's grilled
Grilled salmon.
with salmon roe rice bowl.
Pretty good. It's a contrasting taste to all this ramen. It's not hot. Something to cleanse your palate. I feel like Goku whenever I'm eating ramen, because like in the Dragon Ball Z show, how he eats after he trains, that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Ooh, found another piece of char siu. Charlie just blessed me with another piece of egg. I really like these braised Taiwanese eggs. No, it's Japanese, but you get the point. I like boiled eggs with flavor. This tonkatsu, compared to the sukemen, like the thick dipping noodles, since it's thinner, it's like, it's less fulfilling. There's actually a lot of noodles in here. I will say that, I don't like that there's so much noodles and no meat. Well, that's why Lynn got a side of pork cheek.
Yeah, I knew it. That's why I said she get medium or small.
So I'm gonna come up on her pork cheek, right here.
This is heavier.
Yeah, this pork cheek is a lot more tender than the regular char siu. Like your teeth just shreds through the meat. It's very rich though and like fatty. To be honest, I think I prefer the char siu because char siu is like, it's more in the middle. Meaty, but at the same time, there's like a little fat on the edges. I'm going Goku on these ramen, guys. Let us know what you want us to try next in the comments down below. So that's it. We're pretty much finished with our bowl. Sum it all up. Nice, convenient ramen place in Irvine. Right
Perfect
here,
convenience since I can go to the supermarket right after.
Yeah, so if you try and get some food and go shopping after, this is the place to go. Until next time, like this video and subscribe to Dan vs. World for more mukbangs with the Muk Gang.